Yarn made from recycled wood and used to make clothes. That idea was Michelle Choc-Rossapoutro's first step towards sustainable production. Her textile company uses tencel, a type of rayon fibre made of beech or eucalyptus wood. She even uses it for Indonesia's popular batik textiles, which are normally only fashioned from cotton or silk.
Tencel is actually showing us more shine, which actually Indonesians like more. I think the motivation is to challenge ourselves in terms of the textile producer, how we can be more sustainable.
The wood comes from sustainable forestry. To create a fine thread from the hard material, it is first turned into chips. They are then mixed with an organic solvent. Finally, the resulting pulp is turned into long strands of fibre. This requires just a fraction of the 2,700 litres of water needed to make a cotton t-shirt. 10 years ago, a more sustainable production branch was unthinkable at Dan Liris. The textile company in central Java was on the brink of collapse. The company belonged to Michelle Choc-Rossapoutro's father. After his death, she took over the reins. She was still only in her mid-20s and inexperienced.
Dan Liris was in bad debt situations because of the '98 crisis. So by the time I took over, it was still in a bad debt situation. So it means that we couldn't pay the installment to the banks. So we call it category 5. It means it's not liquid. It was challenging, but it also set the course of my journey.
The young businesswoman took decisive action. She took on loans and invested in modern technology, significantly increasing the factory's efficiency and reducing its impact on the environment.
I think we're partly responsible for what happened with, the climate changes and all the waste that we produce. At least from my part, how can I be more sustainable?
She has also made changes in the company's cotton production. All of the material waste is now repurposed, being turned into everything from baskets to furniture. The upcycling is done by older members of the community, as well as disabled people from the region. It enables them to supplement their income. Dan Liris employs about 8,000 workers. They work about 40 hours a week, get overtime pay and health insurance, which is far from standard practice in Indonesia. Michelle Choc-Rossapoutro wants to motivate people and provide new impetus. A businesswoman who takes an active interest in the well-being of her staff, including training and career opportunities. 35-year-old Unami has been working here for 7 years. She performs quality control.
The company has supported me. They've been really helpful. They financed my studies at university. And the pay here is better than at other similar companies. Before I started working here, I had a job somewhere else. That's how I can appreciate the difference.
There's still a long road ahead to achieve completely sustainable production, but the boss is confident that she can succeed.
Machines can change, we can add or lessen, but the people are still the key. It matters how we do things.
The onset of the coronavirus has also led to changes at Dan Liris. The company is now making protective masks from production waste. Even in a pandemic, sustainability remains an important issue.